Everyone, welcome back to another edition of Wilhelm's Weather Why, in which we take a deep dive into some aspect of our weather or climate. And now that we're into astronomical summer, or kind of the traditional summertime season, I wanted to talk about summer today and talk about some statistics in recent years. First of all, we've had a run now of warm summers. We've had 5 consecutive warmer than average summers, including last year when it was well above average in the summer of 2020. It's been a few years since we've had a summer that's been near average. We had that back in 2015. You have to go all the way back to 2009 to find a summer that was significantly cooler than the average. This year we're expecting yet another warm summer. One of the biggest changes over the last couple of decades has been the nighttime lows. While the daytime highs have been trending warmer, the nighttime lows especially warmer than they used to be. In the most recent decade, our overnight lows in the summer season significantly higher than they were in the previous decades, from the 70s right through the 2000s. When it comes to extreme heat across our area, 95 is kind of the magic number. This is the number of days in which we've had a certain temperature across our area. You'll notice in recorded history we've had 79 days with a high temperature of 94, but then it drops off to 52 days at 95 degrees, and even a steeper drop off as we go into the middle and upper 90s. It gets pretty rare, pretty almost unheard of really, to see a temperature in the upper 90s and into the triple digits around here. In fact, it's been since 2012 since we've had a temperature of 98 degrees officially at the Youngstown Warren Airport. We had 95 back in July of 2012. And last summer we did top out at 93 degrees. The last time we were in the triple digits during that extremely hot and dry summer of 1988, a lot of us remember that one, 100 degrees a couple of times back in July of 1988. Our all-time record, 102, set in July of 1936. Of course, the incoming solar radiation is highest at this time of the year in June and early July, right around the summer solstice. That's when the sun angle is highest, the sun is highest in the sky. The sun angle is at its strongest, and so that's when our solar radiation peaks. But climatologically speaking, our temperatures usually peak in the month of July. And then as we head into August, because water warms more slowly than air, our lake water temperatures typically don't peak until the end of summer, towards the second half of the month of July. The days, of course, are starting to get a little bit shorter. It's a very slow process at first. We only are losing a handful of seconds each day in late June. As we go into July, that process starts to accelerate. It really starts to pick up the pace in August, so that by September 1st, we've lost about 2 hours worth of daylight compared to the start of the summer season. And the slide, of course, continues all the way down until the winter solstice on December 21st, only 9 hours and 13 minutes worth of daylight. We've got a long way to go until then. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of this summer, and thanks for watching this video.